Hey my friends, this is the reason why we can't have no parties in my house these days. This is what, probably the 6th snowstorm in a month, and that's how my yard looks like. Dude, seriously. There is no way your cars are gonna be able to get out of this driveway if you manage to get in. Even that Hummer got stuck really bad. Whew, look at that. A lot of cleaning up to do, huh? Whew. Today we're also gonna have a nice storm. Oh shit. Which is gonna make it a little worse. But everything has a bright side, so at least we have a snowmobile parked right at the door, which makes the winter a lot funnier, huh? Oh, that's so much fun. Yep. See, that goes all the way up to my chest, this pile over here. Dude. Yep. I promise that as soon as the snow stops, we are gonna have a carnival party here. Ha! It's gonna be awesome. Whew. Right? Shit. Alright. Stay warm, bitches. Bye. Woohoo!